If you want to go in and secretly read a WhatsApp message without it going from those two gray check marks or ticks over to the two blue ticks, I'll show you exactly how to do that so no one knows that you have read that message. Now open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android, and if you tap on, for instance, this chat, you can see the two blue check marks. And if I swipe to the left on that, you can see that indicates that it has been read. And the other person will be able to see that I have read that message. However, if it just stays on the two gray check marks, that's an indication that it has been delivered but not read. So we can always change that by getting into our settings. On the iPhone, you're going to tap on You at the bottom right. However, on Android, you're going to tap on the three dots at the top right and then Settings. From here, tap on Privacy and then scroll down and you're going to choose Read Receipts. It says turn off Read Receipts. You won't be able to see read receipts for other people, but keep in mind read receipts are always sent for group chats. So just toggle this off and now I can go into any of my messages and read any of these without it switching over to these two blue check marks, and essentially I can read them without responding to them. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.